moving to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying here the right call. It's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. But it won't last, like you watching your life, waiting for the good one. And what kills me is I've been avoiding the happy ending.
So baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. You made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and know this, no more saving things. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can meet me in the next life or the next one again. Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time. If you end me up in the middle of the night, you know all my self-respect goes out the door, straight through the wall. So baby, could you please make me soft? I'm not in a fire, we can make it worth the while. Get it all, get it try. If not, I might cry.
In case of an emergency, listen for announcements and instructions from the crew. Please familiarize yourself with the location of life jackets on this ferry.
I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell. But think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. Now where do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? Without you in my life. And I thought that I was fine, but I
I always bring my daily energy with collagen, probiotics, vitamins, and prebiotics also. This morning I used almond breeze, a really good almond milk, and with that we are going to eat a chia porridge. I really like this brand. First time I saw it I was in Canada. So for today breakfast we have some strawberries, the porridge, and yogurt because we need more protein. I add some granola on top of it. This is a brand, the Whole Food Market brand. Yay! Let's have breakfast!
Things be different. Why am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in